This young man's name was Pat O'Brien, a carpenter by trade. Both day and night he took delight in courting this fair maid. She being young and innocent and always to the fore, oh, but little was her notion that he'd prove her overthrown. She wrote to him a love letter, and an answer to it came, saying, Nancy, lovely Nancy, oh, I hope you'll not me blame, for I've been working all this time and could not see you, oh, but I hope to have your company this evening at the Grove. When she read those few lines, they enticed her far to go. She dressed herself in private, I mean to let you know. The night was bright with thy moonlight, which caused her far to go. But little was her notion that she never would come back home. When he saw her coming, it was then he went to hide. The words he said unto himself, you'll never be my bride, for I have heard for certain, oh, that you have me deceived, and this very night to take your life a butcher I will be. It was then he stepped up to her, and then his colour changed. She says, Patsy, bravely Patsy, oh, what makes you look so pale? I want no talk at all from you, but kneel down there and pray, for there is not a woman breathing will ever deceive me. He caught her by the yellow locks and drew her to the ground. 'Twas with a knife he stabbed her and gave her the deadly wound. Her last dying words was, Pat O'Brien, you do not feel the pain. And 'twas with a spade he made her grave, and then went home by train. This girl was but 3 days buried. To her mother she didn't appear. The mother spoke to her, oh, without a dread or fear. She says, mother, loving mother, oh, you'll never see me more. Oh, for Pat O'Brien has murdered me and laid me in my gore. Go down to John Caton's grove, be sure make no delay. There you'll find my body buried and covered with the clay. You'll find the blood spilled on the spot, the place he murdered me. Oh, so go and get him taken, and hung he'll be surely. The night before his trial came on, to him she did appear, with her baby in her arms, which filled his heart with fear. She says, 'tis oftentimes you vow to me that I would be your bride, and the gallows high you know will die for taking away my life.